Hey, what's up everyone? I'll show you guys how to make a 5-axis fixture for the part in the previous video. So, here it is. We made a stock model for this part. It's octagon shaped. There was a stock model. We got holes on all sides of this thing. So what we want to do is we want to add some levels. So we will make level 2 our stock model. We'll keep this thing organized. Level 3 will be our fixture. And we want to extrude the middle. Extrude it the other way, and we'll go not 5 inches, but we'll go 4 inches. So it's going to be 4 inches up in the air, so when this thing rotates 90 degrees, it will clear the jaws. We're just going to pretend like underneath this is a 5th axis set of jaws holding onto it. Next, we want to extrude the outer profile, but we don't have the wireframe. So we'll click on the model, click wireframe, click curve all edges. Click the check. Now we can go back to solids, extrude. We can select that outer profile of the part. Now we want to extrude that down. And we don't want to go as far as that top piece. Go minus 5/8, so it looks like they're both at the same level. Click the check, click on Boolean, click the middle part, right click in tool bodies, and then add that piece, and now it's one solid piece. So that's what's going to capture the part, and it's long enough so we can put basically any tool in there to do those holes we want. So any size tool holder will most likely fit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a 1/2 inch diameter hole into the fixture, and this is going to be for a 1/2-13 bolt. We need to fasten this thing down so when we machine it, it doesn't, fly off and scrap it. So we'll go down 2 diameters down, and next what we want to do, and this is just one way to fasten this thing down, is we're going to make a cap that fits on top of it. So we'll make it 3/8 thick. Click the check. Change the color. Okay. So there's a cap. We still need a fastener hole for a 1/2-13. So we're going to move this to our level 4, which is cap. Again, just to keep this all organized. And we're going to go to the back side of this thing. We're going to draw some wireframe, and this is going to be our fastener hole. So clearance for that half 13. Again, you see us using the extrude a lot during this. It's kind of the main thing you want to use when building solids. Okay, so last thing we need is just a half 13 bolt. So we'll make another plane on top of the cap. We can label that plane exactly what it's for, half 13. Build plane. Okay. So this first wireframe circle is going to be 900 thou, so that's going to be like the bigger part of the half 13, and then next diameter is going to be the threads. So we'll extrude that part down. Go down 2 diameters. I'll extrude the bigger part up. We'll go ½ inch. And I'm just guessing. I don't have the actual half 13 size down. You guys can look it up online. And there it is. We're going to boolean it together. Change the color. So keep in mind this fixture is for a 3+2 5-axis type like setup where the 5-axis self-centering jaws will be grabbing onto the bottom of this thing so we can rotate at 90 degrees and then spin it around and hit all these holes. And so that's why it's kind of long, is so those tools have enough clearance to be away from the jaws. So you can put, ER32, maybe even a little bit bigger if you need to. So that's just one way I like to make 5-axis fixtures. Comment the way you guys like to do it, and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you later. Thanks.